welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So as mentioned in my previous video, this whole week I'll be giving you all ideas of for Friendship Day. I know it had to be done in the previous week, but due to some reasons I couldn't record any videos. So yes, this whole week you'll be getting ideas of Friendship Day gifts. So without wasting time, let's begin.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.